Hello there, today I'm going to show you how to download ModScan. ModScan is a software which can simulate Modbus TCP, Modbus RTU, or other. It's a free software of ModScan 32 or 64-bit. First of all, go to Google search bar, down, search OpenModScan. It's open source. Go to the first link, the GitHub link, then go to release. OpenScan latest version, click here. Now, as per your requirement, download the version. If your PC system is 32-bit, then download 686. If your PC system is 64, then download 64-bit. Click here. Start download. Okay. Now go to download folder. This is installer file. Double click here. Click yes. As usual, click next. Click install. It takes some time for installing. Now click finish. The option and setup look like same as ModScan. You can click here connect. You can connect remote display to server. You can connect Modbus RTU gateway. You can connect direct serial port. Select your COM port. Configuration. Flow control. Thank you.